In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the free Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. We're going to keep this simple and easy to follow, so if you've never installed a Chrome extension before, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the extension added to your browser and ready to open and explore. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the menu and extension settings without any delay. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its settings and tools. After clicking it, look through the menu for extensions and select it. From there, choose the option to visit the Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official place where Chrome extensions can be safely searched and installed. When the Chrome Web Store opens, find the search bar and type in Free Download Manager. As the results appear, click on the Free Download Manager extension from the list. Before installing anything, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct extension by checking the name carefully. Now, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt so you can review what's being added to your browser. In that pop-up window, click Add Extension to continue. After that, wait a few moments while Chrome installs the extension. The process is usually quick, but it can take a little longer depending on your internet speed or browser performance. Once the extension has been added, Chrome will notify you that the installation is complete. At that point, you can click on the extension and begin exploring its features. If you don't immediately see it, check the extensions area near the top right side of the browser. That's where newly installed extensions usually appear. From there, you're free to open it, look through its options, and get familiar with how it works inside Chrome. Taking a moment to explore the extension can help you understand what tools are available and how it can support your downloads more efficiently. And that's it. That's how to add the free Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. Follow these same steps anytime you want to install an extension from the Chrome Web Store, and you'll be able to set it up quickly and confidently.